Have you ever seen snakeskin in stone? This is King Cobra Jasper, an orbicular form of chalcedony with scale-like patterns. King Cobra Jasper began in layers of volcanic ash and sediment laid down millions of years ago. Over time, these layers settled and hardened into thick, porous deposits. Orbicular growth began as silica-rich hydrothermal fluids moved through the volcanic debris and started to cool. As temperatures dropped, silica and feldspar attached to tiny needle-like crystals that acted like seeds. Layer by layer, chalcedony built up, forming individual orbs. Later, more hydrothermal fluid filled the remaining gaps around them. As that fluid cooled, it solidified into a fine-grained chalcedony matrix, embedding the orbs within a single, continuous rock mass. That distinctive scale-like pattern is why this orbicular chalcedony is known as King Cobra Jasper. This is a classic example of the principle of inclusions. The orbs formed first, the surrounding matrix came later. You can see that geology recorded in the rock itself. Each orb looks a little different. Some are large, others are small. The shapes aren't perfectly rounded. Some have sharp edges, others are less defined. King Cobra Jasper is known for its earthy palette, mustard yellow, creamy whites and browns. Lavender and green are much rarer, forming only under very specific chemical conditions. Those colors come from iron oxides, manganese, and other trace elements carried by silica-rich fluids. Some orbs appear opaque, while others are partially translucent. Both forms are common, but strong translucence is less frequent and highly sought after. And that's what makes orbicular chalcedony so fascinating. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.